This festive season, there was lot of news and Supreme Court decisions around green crackers. So green crackers become a very important question for your upcoming examination. So let's understand some of the basic things. The conventional crackers have a very high noise level in comparison to green crackers. So that is one of the ways to reduce noise pollution. The second is these are exclusively under the licensing of CSIR. So very limited availability and limited release in market can be seen. Of course, this would lead to job loss of significant people, highly expensive as compared to the conventional crackers, and then it is an alternative where people are not much familiar to it, and also lack of awareness, of course. So there are three varieties under which the green crackers have been released. The most popular among those was the SWAS, which is the safe water releaser. So actually what it does is it releases water when the cracker bursts and reduces the particulate matter emissions by nearly 30%. So it is a good way of actually benefiting the environment. So this, what it does is, this type of cracker does not have sulfur or potassium nitrate, and therefore it is considered relatively safe. The next is Star. Star is safe thermite cracker. Now this again does not have sulfur or potassium nitrite, but it would have lesser dust and lesser noise. The last among the category of green cracker is Safal, which is safe minimum aluminum. Now rather than aluminum, it would use magnesium, and this would reduce the overall pollution levels. So if we look onto the conventional crackers, they usually have barium nitrate, which is a hazardous oxidizer, magnesium and barium, which pollute, arsenic and sulfur, which are highly toxic and have high emissions. In contrast to it, green crackers have potassium nitrate, which is less toxic, safer for the environment. Aluminum is being replaced by magnesium, and carbon replaces arsenic, which is again another thing which is really important, because arsenic leads to arsenicosis, which is one of the major occupational diseases even for the people who are working in the arsenic sector. Right now, to understand what are actually green crackers, it's important that a distinct green logo should be printed on the packaging, and a QR code would be there to scan the authenticity. Now, as we said, this has been licensed only by CSIR. CSIR regulates them under NEERI, which develops the formulation, and PESO, which ensures the safety, checks the toxic substances, and monitors the noise limit for these crackers. So as we said, there are definite challenges with green crackers, but a very important thing to reduce air as well as noise pollution, and highly important for your upcoming examination. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.